Hi, I am Rupal Gupta and you are watching Mathematics classes. हमने लास्ट लेक्चर में क्वेश्चन 1 to क्वेश्चन 10 सॉल्व किया था. प्लीज डू वॉच द प्रीवियस वीडियो एंड द लिंक इज गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. आज हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 to 16 सॉल्व करेंगे फ्रॉम द एक्सरसाइज 2.2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. The sum of the ages of all the three is 135 years. What is the age of each one of them? Here we have three sentences. First is Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather. या हम ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं Baichung's grandfather is 26 years older than Baichung's father. Second is Baichung's father is 29 years older than Baichung. यहाँ फिगर में दिया हुआ है एक एज से दूसरे एज में कैसे जा सकते हैं. एंड थर्ड इज सम ऑफ एजेस ऑफ ऑल द थ्री, दैट इज Baichung, his father and his grandfather is 135 years. Here there are three persons: Baichung, Baichung's father and Baichung's grandfather. We can let the age of any person to solve the question. हमेशा हम ट्राई करते हैं कि सबसे छोटे पर्सन की एज को लेट करनी है so that we can add something to find out the other person age. For example, here the question is the father is 29 years older than his son. Then we can let the age of son to be x, then father's age would be 29 plus x. This is always helpful because we are adding here something. Also, the Baichung's father is 26 years younger than his father. That is Baichung's grandfather. Means grandfather 26 years बड़े हैं Baichung के father से. तो अगर father की age 29 plus x है तो grandfather की age 26 years और ज़्यादा होगी. That's why grandfather की age is equals to 26 plus in the bracket 29 plus x becomes 55 plus x. Now total age equals to 135 years. Hence sum of all three equals to 135 years, or x plus in the bracket 29 plus x plus in the bracket 55 plus x is equals to 135. 3x plus 84 equals to 135. On transposing 84 to right hand side, we get 3x equals to 135 minus 84, which is equals to 51. Dividing both sides by 3, hence x equals to 51 by 3. We get x equals to 17. This is the Baichung's age, and his father would be x plus 29, which is equals to 46 years. And the age of grandfather would be x plus 55 equals to 17 plus 55, which is equals to 72 years. Now the same question can be solved by another way. Let's Baichung's father age be x years. Therefore Baichung's age and Baichung's grandfather age will be x minus 29 years and x plus 26 years respectively. As Baichung 29 years छोटा होगा अपने फादर से, तो यहाँ 29 से सब्ट्रैक्ट किया गया है. Similarly, Baichung के फादर से Baichung's के ग्रैंडफादर 26 years बड़े हैं, तो यहाँ हमने 26 ऐड किया है. According to the given question, the sum of ages of these three people is 135 years. Therefore, x in the bracket x minus 29 plus in the bracket x plus 26, which is equals to 135. 3x minus 3 equals to 135. On transposing minus 3 to right hand side, we obtain 3x equals to 138. Again, on dividing both sides by 3, we get 3x by 3 equals to 138 by 3. So x equals to 46. Hence, Baichung's father's age equals to x year, which is equals to 46 years. Baichung's age equals to x minus 29 years, which is equals to 17 years. And Baichung's grandfather's age equals to x plus 26 years, which is equals to 72 years. We can solve the question by any method. Question number 12. 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is Ravi's present age? Since we don't know the present age of Ravi, hence let's Ravi's present age be x years. Now, according to question, after 15 years, Ravi's age will be x plus 15. क्योंकि रवि का present age x था, so 15 years के बाद x plus 15 होगा. And also, this same age is 4 times of his present age. Again, present age is x, so 4 times of x is 4x. According to question, both these quantities are equal, so after equating them, we get x plus 15 equals to 4x. On transposing x to right hand side, we get 15 equals to 4x minus x. Here, 4x minus x will be 3x. Again, हम इसे दोनों साइड 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमें मिलेगा x equals to 5. Hence, Ravi's present age is 5 years. Question number 13. A rational number is such that when you multiply it by 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3 to the product, you get minus 7 by 12. What is the number? In case 1, let the number be x. So, after multiplying by 5 by 2, we get 5 by 2x. And further adding 2 by 3, we will get 5 by 2x plus 2 by 3. But in case 2, this addition is again given in the equation as minus 7 by 12. तो हम case 1 and case 2 को equal कर सकते हैं and we will get 5 by 2x plus 2 by 3 equals to minus 7 by 12. Now, on transposing 2 by 3 to right hand side, we get 5 by 2x equals to minus 7 by 12 minus 2 by 3. अब हम यहाँ LCM लेंगे 12, तो हमें मिलेगा 5 by 2x equals to minus 7 minus in the bracket 2 into 4 divided by 12. Further, हम इसे solve करेंगे. So we get 5 by 2x equals to minus 15 by 12. Again, on multiplying both sides by 2 by 5, we obtain x equals to minus 1 by 2. Hence, the rational number is minus 1 by 2. Question number 14. Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denominations 100 rupees, 50 rupees and 10 rupees respectively. The ratio of the number of these notes is 2:3:5. The total cash with Lakshmi is 4 lakh rupees. How many notes of each denomination does she have? हमने एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशंस में डिनोमिनेशन का कॉन्सेप्ट सीखा था और सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट था कि अमाउंट इज इक्वल टू वैल्यू ऑफ द नोट मल्टीप्लाइड बाय नंबर ऑफ नोट्स, जैसे कि यहाँ विथ रुपीज 10, 20 एंड 50 का दिखाया गया है. जैसे यहाँ 10 के 4 नोट है तो अमाउंट ऑफ रुपीज 10 नोट्स वुड बी इक्वल टू 40. 20 के 3 है तो 20 into 3 is 60. Or to find out the amount of rupees 50 notes, simply multiply the rupees 50 into number of notes which is 2. So, amount of rupees 50 notes is equal to 100. अगर total amount निकालना है तो हम सब amount को add कर देंगे तो हमें मिलेगा rupees 200. Back to our question. The number of notes of denominations rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 is given in the ratio which is 2:3:5. हम जानते हैं कि रेशियो को किसी भी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो रेशियो में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं आएगा. Let the common ratio for the number of notes be x. Then number of rupees 100 notes will be 2x because first ratio is 2. Similarly, number of rupees 50 and rupees 10 notes will be 3x and 5x respectively. जैसा कि हमने अमाउंट निकालना पहले सीखा है, सेम वे में हम अमाउंट फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. वैल्यू ऑफ नोट इनटू नंबर ऑफ नोट्स. सो अमाउंट ऑफ रुपीज 100 नोट्स is equal to rupees 100 into 2x becomes rupees 200x. Similarly, for rupees 50 and 10, we can find the amount which is 150x and 50x. Hence, we can find the total amount here as 200x plus 150x plus 50x. But in the question, it is given as the total amount is 4 lakhs. So, equating both, we get our equation, and adding all the x terms together, we get 400x equals to 4 lakhs. Dividing both sides by 400, we will get x equals to 1000. हमें x की वैल्यू पुट करने पर नंबर ऑफ 100 रुपीज नोट्स, 50 रुपीज नोट्स and 10 रुपीज नोट्स will be 2000, 3000 and 5000. Question number 15. I have a total of 300 rupees in coins of denomination 1 rupee, 2 rupees and 5 rupees. The number of 2 rupees coin is 3 times the number of 5 rupee coins. The total number of coins is 160. How many coins of each denominations are with me? Firstly, we have coins of rupee 1, rupees 2 and rupees 5. And total amount from the question is given as rupees 300. Means total amount is known to us. It is also given that rupees 2 coins is 3 times the number of rupees 5 coins. जितने हमारे पास रुपीस 5 के कॉइन्स होंगे उसका 3 गुना कॉइन्स हमारे पास रुपीस 2 का होगा. Means if we have x coins of rupees 5, then there would be 3x coins of rupees 2. So, let the number of rupees 5 coins be x. Then, number of rupees 2 coins equals to 3 into number of rupees 5 coins equals to 3x. Also, total number of coins is 160 given in the question. Therefore, number of rupee 1 coins plus 2 coins plus 5 coins equals to 160. Putting 3x and x for the number of rupees 2 coins and 5 coins, we get the number of rupee 1 coins as 160 minus 4x. So, amount from rupee 1 coins will be rupee 1 into number of coins, that is 160 minus 4x equal to rupees 160 minus 4x. जैसा हमने पहले सीखा था, सेम कॉन्सेप्ट अप्लाई करने पर अमाउंट फ्रॉम द रुपीज 2 कॉइन्स एंड 5 कॉइन्स निकाल सकते हैं. हमेशा कॉइन की वैल्यू और नंबर ऑफ कॉइन को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ऑल्सो फ्रॉम द क्वेश्चन टोटल अमाउंट इज रुपीज 300 गिवन. देयरफॉर 160 minus 4x plus 6x plus 5x is also the amount, and equating with 300 we get our equation 6x plus 5x equals to 11x and minus 4x becomes 7x. So here, after transposing 160 to right hand side and dividing by 7 both sides, we get x equals to 20. After putting the value of x, we get number of rupee 1 coins equals to 160 minus 4x equals to 80. Number of rupees 2 coins equals to 3x, which is equals to 60. And number of rupees 5 coins equal to x, which is equals to 20. Question number 16. The organizers of an essay competition decide that a winner in the competition gets a prize of 100 rupees and a participant who does not win gets a prize of 25 rupees. The total prize money distributed is 3000 rupees. Find the number of winners if the total number of participants is 63. Since here the number of winners is unknown, so let's number of winners be x. From the last sentence, we have the total number of participants as 63. So, The number of participants who did not win will be 63 minus x. From the question, a winner gets a prize of rupees 100. So, amount given to all winners equals to rupees 100 into x, which is equals to rupees 100x. Now, amount given to the participants who did not win equals to prize amount who does not win multiplies by number of participants who did not win equals to rupees 25 into bracket में 63 minus x, which is equals to 1575 minus 25x. According to the given question, total prize money distributed is rupees 3000. So, amount given to winner and amount given to participants who did not win is equals to 3000. So, our equation is 100x plus 1575 minus 25x equals to 3000. On transposing 1575 to right hand side, we obtain 75x equals to 3000 minus 1575. 75x equals to 1425. On dividing both sides by 75, we obtain 75x upon 75 equals to 1425 divided by 75. So, x equals to 19. Hence, number of winners equals to 19. I hope आपको exercise 2.2 समझ आया होगा. And if you have some queries related to this, please do comments. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe this channel. Stay home, stay safe. See you soon.